We are excited to introduce the brand new InsideSales.com customer community. This is a big step in our efforts to provide the highest level of customer support. The community is designed to allow our customers to do three things: engage with thought leaders, share best practices, and access support. There are several ways you can access the community. First, you can click the support link within your Salesforce, HD Forecast, or LMP tool. Additionally, you can navigate directly to the URL insidesales-portal.force.com. You can also click the support link in the upper right-hand corner on the InsideSales.com homepage. If this is the first time logging in, you will be brought to a blue login screen. Your username is the email address associated with your InsideSales.com account. Please note that this is not always the same email you use to log into Salesforce. When you log in for the first time, use the Forgot Your Password link to set a password. You will receive an email prompting you to change your password. Next, I'd like to walk you through a few key elements for the community portal, such as the knowledge base, discussion boards, and case management. First, the knowledge base. The knowledge base is comprised of hundreds of short, easy-to-consume knowledge articles covering topics such as best practices, release notes, user training, product documentation, and more. You will see on the home screen these featured topics can be located in the center tiles. Second, discussions. Discussions are collaborative questions and answers which can be posted by any InsideSales.com user. The answers to these discussions can come from any one of our team members or other customers. A team of community moderators will review all answers to ensure quality in the discussion boards. To initiate a discussion, simply click the Ask a Question button. You will need to relate your question to a topic in the dropdown. You can also @mention any community member to bring them into the discussion. From the search bar, you can search for knowledge articles and discussions. When searching, best practice is to search for only the topic that you are interested in. For example, search for dialer minutes rather than how do I add dialer minutes. As you begin typing your query, you will be shown results closely related to your search. If you do not see your answer in the short list, hit enter to see the full results. Now let's ask a question to the community. We'll select our post destination, ask our question, and add any additional details if needed. I'm going to mention someone who I know knows a lot about my question. You can add additional topics to your discussion to make it easier for others to find. You can also add attachments if you have a screenshot or any other file that adds to your question. When someone has answered your question, you will receive an email notification and be able to see their response. It looks like someone answered my question with a link to an article. Let's look at that. Here I can see the answer to my question and also a video that accompanies it. If the answer to your question is correct, be sure to mark it as the best answer by clicking Select as Best link below the answer. This will award them for answering your question with leaderboard points, as well as make the question more visible when others are searching for answers. Now let's take a look at the support portal. To submit a case to support, click Contact Support under your name or at the bottom of any page. Fill out the subject and description and any other required fields. Once you have filled out the required fields, click Submit and the support team will be notified and reach out to you shortly. To monitor open cases that you might have, click on the Cases tab. From here, you can see all open cases for your account. Admins will be able to see all cases related to your company, and users will only be able to view the cases they've created. Clicking on the case number will allow you to view case details, provide requested information, and communicate with support and the customer success team via chatter. Here are my details. Over here I can see any updates to the case, and I can also post any responses. When you post a response, the owner of the case will be notified that you have provided additional information. At the top of the homepage, you'll find a link to our Trust site. This site will show you server uptime as well as any server outages with a description of the issue. Finally, we invite you to build your brand as a community member. Add a photo of yourself under My Profile, answer questions, and participate in discussions. As you do, you will rise up the leaderboard and help us build an amazing platform to help everyone sell more. We look forward to having you join us in the community. If you have any questions or feedback about the community, we would love to hear from you. Contact us at customer.community@insidesales.com. Thanks.